What's up, guys? Today we're going to be playing Raft in the Pixel World once again. So let's just get this started. Okay. So last episode we left off with this little raft, you could say. Oh, our food's cooked. Hey. Oh no, oh no. Water. Oh, full water. And gonna cook one potato because you've always got to cook those potatoes. Potatoes so delicious, especially the hot ones which are made in the oven. Like and subscribe for more daily content. Also, if you haven't, like and subscribe to my friend The Doggy Days. He's also in the description. Again, because I'm gonna stop saying it, but his link will be in the description. If I don't say it, his link will still be in the description. Pick up the food. Wow, now we're full of everything. I'm good with food. What is it? We shouldn't I? Like absolutely everything there is full. So that's good. This episode I'm trying to finish the first floor of our wonderful raft. Ah! Oh my, what is full? Okay. One scrap, one leaf. What's it? And I'm also gonna try and get it speed this time because the shark won't leave me alone. I just need 4 pieces of wood. No. How much do we need for a bed? Oh, that's a lot. Okay, that's a lot. So nails. Can we make nails? Still need a lot more wood to make that anyways. So I'm gonna just get this piece of wood because wood's absolutely awesome. Going to throw it out again. That was a good fail. No, I wasn't meant to do that. No, I meant to do a delicious potato on. Okay, I'm gonna add another 4 here, and then I'm going to try to get more. No. Oh. Wait, no, can I get it? Can I get it? Please say I can get it. Please say I can get it. I can't get it. It's a shame. Okay. Another. No. Use and use. Then I'm gonna place a wall here. Take up cooked food. 10 potatoes. Okay, that's a lot. Okay. Did I just eat that? Okay. I'm gonna try and get. I'm gonna try and keep it as full at the time because I always like to have full stuff. It's good. Feels good. And I don't want to die because dying would be bad. Okay, I'm gonna try and get this piece of wood. Another ad, and this is the complete same one as the last time. Why is it always the same ads? I'm gonna try and get rid of the ads because this is really annoying. Okay. Okay, let's get that plank. It's nearly like every raft video I have done, which is actually only two. Isn't it? I didn't, and I don't like that. So I'm probably just gonna cut that out because I don't really like ads. Ads are annoying. Oh no. Oh my gosh! That is the most the Crow has ever given me. Like, you guys saw how much stuff that was. Okay. Use. Woo! It's the first room. Now I just have to do the roof, I suppose. Oh no, oh no, oh no. I'm gonna relocate that. Because that's sort of in the way of my door. And that's very annoying. Very annoying. So I'm probably gonna get rid of that and look at spear finally. Now I actually just want to go up to the shark and attack him. Like, I know he hasn't done anything to us, but I just feel like him. Also, something else I don't like. Wait, I can test it out. No, and you don't go away like that. Oh no, he attacked me. Oh no, he attacked me. Oh no, he attacked me more. No. Yeah, you go away, shark. Yes, I will attack you. Mug. Okay, I can hardly even get in there. So I am definitely going to relocate that. Very soon. Oh no. Okay, I'm so close to dying. I really need some food. I should really stop just jumping in. Yeah, that was so much okay. I'm really dead. Okay, that's close. Yep. Okay, someone try to stop jumping in like that. Wow, what a lot of wood. Suppose I just make a spot down there for the stairs. Because one day we'll have stairs, and stairs are awesome because stairs means I can get a second floor and to make my really little raft right now become a big raft. So yeah, that's good. Because I'm just gonna get this. Yay! Now I can press the stairs down. Wait a second, is it like rainy? Weird. Must be starting to rain. It doesn't rain that much. Oh my god, what happened to that barrel? That barrel just turned white.
I'd like a hot dog with ketchup.
Okay, this is really
Jello,
annoying.
please.
Paint a Bow Wow red and a side of nervous pudding.
Okay, I'm really sorry, guys. This will not happen one more time.
Hello, world, Brian.
There must be some way to get rid of this. Okay, so guys, I'm really sorry. Really sorry about that. Okay, only one more piece of wood. There's it. Okay, it's really foggy up here. And of course, I don't consider it. Oh yeah, my food's going down actually. Yeah. Like this. Move this up. And once this is finished, I'm going to end the episode. Only because I think this episode is going a little long. But who cares? Another Vino barrel. Hey. Oh, the shark is attacking my thing. The shark's attacking my thing. The shark's attacking my thing. The shark's attacking my thing. What's up? And potato. Okay, guys. I'm going to end the episode here. Okay, guys, I'm going to end the episode here. If you enjoyed, please like for daily content. Bye!